To find your laptop's MAC address, go to the Start button, and then in the search box there, type CMD, which is basically command prompt. From the results, just click on command prompt. That opens up the command prompt window. Now, what you need to do here is type get MAC, so GETMAC, then space, and then /V, and then space, /FO, space, list. Just like that. So get MAC space /V space /FO space list. So once you type that, just hit enter, and that's going to retrieve information about your MAC address. Now, most laptops will have two MAC addresses, one for the Bluetooth card and the other one for the Wi-Fi. So you can see the connection name is Wi-Fi here. So the MAC address is this 12-digit physical address. Okay, so we have one for the Bluetooth network connection. The MAC address is right there. And then, of course, if you have Ethernet, you have the physical address for that there. So basically, this one has three: for Ethernet, for Wi-Fi, and for Bluetooth. So depending on which MAC address you're looking for, that's how to find the permanent MAC address for your laptop. Thanks for watching, and good luck.